A nice trick to make your drops pop more is using white noise. So you may have like actually a good drop, but it's not exciting enough, and all you might need is just a bit of noise, in this case sidechain noise, and I just went for this loop, really simple. I processed it this way, which is just in a queue to make it fit the mix, nice pocket. So you can see how more exciting the whole drop is with just this noise. It's not too invasive, but as soon as I turn it off, it sounds a bit bland, it sounds like a bit weak. I like to do this kind of metaphor, which is when you have a DJ set with the big stages and everything. When the drop comes, we have all the steam machines, the fire machines lighting up, and it's playing that kind of role. So just imagine yourself being at EDC or whatever other festival, Tomorrowland, etc., and you have to turn those steam machines up.